My name is Noob Survivalist. And today, like I said in my last video, I will be doing a review on the GameWinner Multitool. And I'm not going to tell you. So first we're going to be testing out the scissors on the pliers. So, yeah, hopefully the scissors don't suck. Okay, I've got them. Got pliers. Cut through. Well, that did not do very good at all. So the scissors stink, but you won't really need the scissors for anything. You need the pliers in case you're there's wire or something in your way wherever you're going, and you want to move that. Next, we're going to use let me set down my camera again. There. Next, we're going to use the saw. Shut my knife. Okay, let's go. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. I can't sing. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. So, let's cut. I've already been cutting. Here, let's pick an area near, that's not near where I've cut. There. Okay, that was some pretty nice cutting, I'd say. Hang on. Can you see that? No, you cannot yet. Okay. That's my multi-tool. Okay, can you see that? Yes, you can. Look at that cut. That's a pretty good saw. Yeah. So, that's that. Trying to put my saw back in. Okay. Now, we're going to take a look at the pry bar that also has a measurer on it, like a ruler, sort of. It's got inches and centimeters, so that's good to have. But yeah, let's find a good rock to pry up. Here we go. Found one. Okay. Yep. Got a lot of dirt on it, but it was worth it. Ugh. Clean that up. Enjoy the view of the sky, or the woods, as I clean this up and put it back in. This is a very good multi-tool so far. And make sure to check out my next video. I'm either going to do a EDC bag review of mine that I just made up, or I'm going to do how to properly kill an animal if you've hunted it and it's not dead yet. You can to like throw a knife into it. Throw your GameWinner or any knife in it. So next we shall use the file. Now what I use for the file is I like to sharpen my GameWinner knife. So what you want to do is you want to use the crossed side that has like the X's on it. You can't really see it right now, but you'll see it once you get the Multitool. Yuck, something on my face. And you want to use that, and you want to put the bottom of the blade on one of the crosses, and then you want to do what you would sort of do to skin. You want to, well, not really. You want to go to the side until the blade is off. So, yeah. Just like this. And to get a good angle, you want to put your thumb on the edge, not like on the complete edge, but like on the side, like that, and that'll give you the right angle. But I've been practicing it, so I don't really need to. It doesn't really matter, but it kind of does if you're first sharpening it. Same with the other side. I'm gonna do it though. Whoa. And so, yeah, that's good to have. And, yeah. So, what else can we do? We can do the knife. Now we're going to do what we did with my GameWinner knife. Now this is a drop point, which means it just goes straight down pretty much. It has a little bit of curve to it, but not as much as the GameWinner. I mean the hunting knife. Whoopsies, dropped my phone. And I realized my GameWinner wasn't in there, but I found it. Wasn't in my pocket. Okay, so let's get started. So first we're going to do the sticking test. This isn't as sharp as the other knife, the GameWinner, but it's good enough. I mean, it might be. I don't know. I haven't tried it yet. Okay. Not too good since it's a multi-tool. The lock mechanism is not too good on this. It's okay. The tip is, it just won't stay because of the locking mechanism. So I wouldn't suggest stabbing something. I would use your other knife. But now let's do the skinning one on our stick over here that we used last time. That's what it did last time. Let's do the other side. Holy crap, this is a sharp knife. That was only like 3 strikes. 4 now. Holy balls. That is a sharp knife. I'm kind of scared of this knife now. I don't want it laying around my house. Well, I do. I'm just kidding. But, okay, now let's do the cutting test. Okay. Got my knife right here. That, my friends, is a pretty stinking sharp knife. You can see that right there. Yep. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see it. Right there. Well, definitely suggest this kit because the flashlight is freaking bright. Takes 3 AAA batteries, but it is worth it. And then the multi-tool, I would suggest not stabbing anything with it, but it's a pretty good multi-tool. So leave a like, guys, subscribe, comment, do whatever, do everything good. Please don't dislike. That would be so good if you could like. So good. But yeah, so I'm Noob Survivor, and I'm out.